Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today Natsumi and I are back in Kyoto. We made the long trek all the way from Morioka. The last few days in Morioka we did not really film a lot due to jet lag, but that's okay because we're here in Kyoto now and we enjoyed it so much the last time we were here we had to come back. So right now we are getting ready to make our way to the hotel and we'll see you there. Natsumi and I are officially checked into the hotel. We're actually staying in the exact same hotel that we stayed in last year. It's called the Gate Hotel and we loved it, so we decided to book it again. If you're interested in learning more about that hotel and seeing what it's like here, you can check out the link above and I'll also leave a link in the description as well. Today we have a reservation at Happy Pancake. We did a pancake place last year called Tsubaki Saron, and so we just wanted to see how Happy Pancake is. But first, we're gonna go check out Shotengai, right? And what's it called?
Shinkyogoku.
Shinkyogoku. Okay, so let's go. All right, so real quick, this particular Shotengai has been around since 1872, according to what Natsumi found on Google. And Shotengais are typically like the covered arcades, the covered shopping arcades. So they typically cater to tourists and things like that.
And local people too.
Okay. So we're gonna do some window shopping, maybe some gift shopping, maybe some shopping for us. So we'll see what they have. So let's continue. Apparently, nothing's open yet. So Natsumi and I are just gonna walk up and down the strip and see what we can find. They're probably gonna open around 10. It's 9:43 now, but we'll see what stores might be open in a little bit and see if we can get some shopping. Walking through a Shotengai or a shopping arcade. The thing about Kyoto is that there's all these little shrines and temples all around, so you could stumble upon any of them at any time. So that's a really cool thing I like about Kyoto, because they're just all over the place. So we know that our pancake reservation is in about an hour, but we wanted to come in here and show you guys these amazing donuts. We did stop into this place the last time we were here in Kyoto, but I didn't film it. So what we have here are organic strawberry, cinnamon, sugar, a matcha drink, and a ginger ale. So let's dig in. Itadakimasu.
Oishi?
Oishi. Very good.
Itadakimasu.
Good. Yeah. Those donuts were so good, and that homemade ginger ale was the best. What'd you think?
It was really good. I'm gonna be in sugar coma soon, I think.
Yeah, and we're gonna be on the way to our pancake reservation here shortly, so we'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, what's going on? So we were able to get seated at Happy Pancake. The line downstairs is ridiculously long, Pro tip, if you're going to come here, please make a reservation. Otherwise, you're going to be waiting a very long time. So we're going to take a look at the menu and see what they got. All right, let's try these guys. I went with the chocolate. Very good. A little eggy, but they're good.
Is it worth the wait?
It was worth the wait. They're very good. All right, so those pancakes were really, really good. I think in comparison to the place that we had them at last year, way lighter. I don't feel like they're sitting as heavy this time, but they were really, really good. How was yours?
It was really good. With it was like a savory twist to pancakes.
Yeah, she had salmon with hers. I mean, who comes to have pancakes and gets salmon with their pancakes? This one right here. But it's raining now, so we're gonna try to find someone to do undercover. We may go back to the Shotengai because all the stores are open now, and we'll see what catches our eye. All right, see you in a bit. So it's a green tiger's eye. What do you think?
I like the color.
All right, so I did not get that particular bracelet, but I did get this, and this is it's moonstone, fluorite,
And crystal.
and crystal. And so I had an aura report done that basically tells me what stones complement my aura. So Natsumi, tell us what my aura is.
Okay, so white, you're pretty adaptable. You can pretty much go with any type of personalities, but because you're affected by others so much, sometimes you lose sense of self, I guess.
Yeah, and that's true because I'm always thinking about what other people think about me. You know, how do they see me? And basically I just have to stop thinking that way. And so these stones that I got, fluorite, moonstone, and crystal should help with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the shopping arcades, the Shotengais, and the pancakes, which were very delicious.
And the donut.
And the donuts, yes. So if you did, please leave a like and a comment, and we'll see you guys in the next video.